Meet the brand new BZBGEAR BG-AVENTO-4K, a dual-lens AI-enabled 4K conference camera designed to make meetings feel more natural, more inclusive, and more professional. Unlike your traditional PTZ camera that relies on a single lens, the BG-AVENTO combines an 8 megapixel 4K PTZ lens with a dedicated panoramic lens on the front. This means that you can get both detailed close-up and full room visibility at the same time. This is a great camera for a conference setup in its small in size. With built-in AI, it can also auto-frame the group, track the active speaker, follow presenter, and even create individual gallery views, all within a constant manual camera control. Control for the BG-AVENTO 4K is actually pretty simple. You have the remote, as well as there is a web interface. You can access the camera and control everything from there. The remote allows for switching between the different settings, auto tracking, speaker tracking, individual galleries, zoom in, zoom out, as well as presets. Another great feature about the camera is the built-in 4-microphone line array that helps this camera detect voice direction for more accurate speaker tracking. So when you're using the speaker tracking, turn that on and the microphones will pick up and help participants see who's talking in the room. Compared to your standard PTZ camera, which is obviously builds around pan, tilt, and zoom movement with a single viewpoint, the BG-AVENTO 4K adds a second panoramic perspective that helps reduce the feeling of missing what's happening elsewhere in the room. And what's great about the camera on the top, it actually has a 3x optical zoom. So like other cameras where it's just ePTZ, this has the optical zoom so you're not losing resolution when you're zooming in. Setting up the camera is actually quite simple. You just go ahead and plug it in, and as you can see on the back there is a lot of options there for connection. There's an HDMI out to your monitor, which supports up to 4K at 30, USB-C, which mirrors the 4K 30 into your computer. So that's how you access your video feed, like platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, even Webex, whatever you're using. There's also a USB-A port on here if you look to connect to a peripheral like a speakerphone, so you can link those up together. And my favorite feature is the LAN feature, where it accesses web GUI, like I mentioned earlier. So you can have full control, not just over the remote, but you can access that web GUI and change all the settings like you can on the remote, all the different layouts, speaker tracking, auto tracking, manual focus, manual zoom in and out. But also this camera has an NDI version as well. So you can actually, if you don't have HDMI out, or if you just want to use the NDI feed, if your environment is all NDI, this camera's NDI as well, which you can actually use in the same platforms I mentioned earlier. Also, another cool feature about the AVENTO, since there is two cameras, the fixed panoramic in the front and the PTZ on the top, you can actually do picture-in-picture as well. So if you're looking to look at both views at the same time, you can do that in the web interface and set that up as well. So for your small to medium meeting spaces and conference room, the BG-AVENTO 4K delivers something a conventional PTZ camera alone can't always achieve, including smart tracking, panoramic awareness, and a more complete meeting experience, all in a one complete compact solution. So as always, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. If you have any questions about this camera, hit up any of our sales associates, or if you're installing the camera, have any technical issues, be sure to hit up our tech support team. We'll love to help you out there. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these so you'll be notified when more of our videos come out. And as always, have a great day.